It is only this same Ndibo that has been faced with a state-sponsored annihilation to annihilate this noble race out of the face of the earth. You must begin to ask why. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching this broadcast from. I remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbo's Noun proponent. Welcome to the Namen TV show. For some time now, we have been propagating the gospel, the message of the unification of Igbo everywhere they may be. We have done a lot of researches to determine where the people that have that ancestral connection, the people that speaks the Bia, the people that calls Chuku Kike, the people that trades on that sacred market days, the Eke Uri, Afo, and Nkwo. These are some of or few of the determinant factors of Ndibo. Everywhere they may be, no matter where, they hold sacred the sanctity of human life, Mandu. That is Ndibo for you. Well, I thank God for His infinite mercies, for His favors, grace, that we have been propagating this gospel amongst all my comrades, my fellow comrades, that we have been working towards this unification of Ndibo. I thank God for assembling this noble man who, by every means, have been proven worthy to keep propagating this gospel. I will mention them by names. I will mention them by their names, starting from the tribes, Chimenum Amadi, all the way from Ikwere, Emoha local government area in Ikwere land. Calling on my own brother Onyenwe Madukai Ebi Kingsley, all the way from Ika Northeast, Akumazi in Ika Northeast of Delta State, and also a very respected elder brother, Kingsley Ugbe, all the way from Ike Onitsha, in Onitsha Ukwani, in Ukwani local government area of same Delta State. Sending regards to my brother again, Onyekade, all the way from Omoko in Oba, Ebumandoni local government area of River State. I welcome you all, brothers. I welcome you, and I say, may you remain steadfast on this project, on this campaign of the unification of Ndibo, which we tagged the Unified Igbo's Noun. I thank you all you proponents of this great unification project. I thank you. I commend all your efforts. I commend what you, the tribes, is doing in the land of Ikwere, You are making a whole lot of progress. A lot of people are, a lot of you, our Wikuri brothers, are identifying with this noble campaign to unify Indigo. The same goes to our good brother Henry Ube. You have done so well to bring us real fact from elderly people in Onichokwane. Thank you and God bless. I'm thanking my own brother Kanebi. Eka people are all happy. The youths are turning up massively to identify with this noble campaign. I thank you. I thank you. A lot are happening, and will keep happening. Positive impacts. And I am thanking every Igbo person in general for your contribution and everything that is worthy. I thank you. Before I proceed, I must make this appeal to every Igbo person to accept the Unify Igbos Now campaign. Support the Unify Igbos Now campaign. It is the people's project. It is the people's campaign. It is a campaign that has never been in existence. There is no rival. There's no rivalry in the Unify Igbos Now. Because what we are doing is the work of God. For the first time in the history that Igbo people are coming up to speak out, to unify themselves. Why is it only the Igbo that are good for balkanization and outright onslaught on our identity, our language, and our ethnicity? Why is it Igbo? But before you ask that question further, you must remember that it is only this same Igbo that has been faced with a state-sponsored annihilation to annihilate this noble race out of the face of the earth. You must begin to ask why. When you begin to ask why, you begin to get answers. And that answers lies in our unification. Because each and every component part of Igbo nation holds one secret, one answers to our collective questions. Both our political question, our economical question, our security question, our identity question. These whole components of Ndigo, talking about the Ngwa, the Oweri, the Isu, the Ukwan, the Nsuka, the Oba, the Eche, the Izi, the Ndonis, the Opobos, the Eka, the Sobo, and many more, the Oka, the Onichas. Yes, only in our unification, only in our unity, that we may begin to assemble these answers, and beautiful things will begin to happen. Only by then will the Igbo nation will be free to determine their future, be free to determine their fate, to correct everything that has gone wrong. I don't want to make a lengthy video, but this particular broadcast is meant to clarify, to informate you about what we are up to. and what we are doing. I have in recent time been faced with a lot of criticisms. When I went to church, I faced criticism from my people that the unification of IGBO is not about church. I went to shrines, Ngu, RCD Chiche, to find meaning. I get criticized. Why do I have to drag Igbo to idolatry? I meet some politicians, I get dragged that politicians will derail the vision, the mission, and the project. I still meet ordinary people and our traditional rulers. I still get the same drag that the traditional rulers are serving their interests, that they have been institutionalized by not anorganic structures, but by maybe government projection or installations. But then, these are all opinions, different from the reality. I still remain Chukwuemeka, and I am guided by that supreme being who did, who planned, who created all these people as one people. I welcome you to this project again, the Unify Igbos Now campaign, and I am asking you for your patience. Why we keep doing what God has instructed and sent us to do. Patience, only patience, because it will take time, but everything will work according to God's plan. Thank you and God bless. I remain Chukwuemeka, the Unify Igbos Now proponent. Remain blessed.